This is the Samsung Galaxy S23. Wait, sorry, this is the itel S23. But really, we might as well call it the Samsung S23 because of the specs. Check this. For the first time ever on an itel device, we get 8GB of RAM, a 128GB of storage, a 90Hz display, a 50MP camera, and a USB Type-C port. One more thing. This phone changes color. I'm not kidding. Like, you can obviously see that this phone is white, right? But look at what happens when exposed to sunlight. The color changes to pink. That's so cool. So you get two colors for the price of one smartphone. The itel S23 will cost you 66,200 naira or $87. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing every aspect of the itel S23 just to see how good it is and if you should buy it. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay? My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we unbox the itel S23, if you're new to our channel or you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Also like the video so that YouTube can show our video to more people. Thank you. So inside the box of the itel S23, first we get the phone. I love this white color. Next we get an MTN card to redeem 1GB of data. Next we get a hard plastic case. It doesn't offer much protection. Next we get the charging brick, the Type-C cable, and wired headphones. All this for 66,200 naira or $87. You can get one with 8GB of RAM for 76,400 naira or $100. Now both variants have 128GB of storage. The design of the itel S23 looks really fancy. Like I said earlier, I really like this white color. It also comes in black. It is a glossy finish, but you don't get fingerprint smudges. I think because of the white color, the smudges aren't so visible. The itel S23 has that premium look and feel in my opinion. It has a circular camera bump. You might like that and you might not. The itel branding is at the bottom part of the rear. Let's talk about the color changing feature. It only happens with the white variant. If you buy a black one, there is no color change. So for the white itel S23, the one I have here, it changes color from white to pink under sunlight. It makes you feel like if you have two phones, one white one and one pink one. It's very similar to the Tecno Camon 19 Mondrian edition. That phone also had a color changing feature, and I love that itel included that feature in the itel S23. The itel S23 has a side mounted fingerprint scanner next to the volume rockers. It's the power button. It also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Just place your finger on the power button and your phone unlocks. It's actually quite fast and responsive. At the bottom of the itel S23, we get the headphone jack, the primary microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the mono speaker grill. So for the first time ever on an itel device, we finally get USB Type-C ports. It's about time, itel. To the left side of the phone, we get the dual SIM plus memory card slot. It's 4G capable, so no worries there. At the top of the phone, we get nothing. We get a 6.6-inch 720p 90Hz display on the itel S23. 90Hz display on an itel device. What's going on? So normally phones have a 60Hz refresh rate display, which means that the phone's display refreshes 60 times every second. So with a 90Hz display, it refreshes faster 90 times every second. So a 90Hz screen can appear to be more smooth than a 60Hz screen because it refreshes 90 times every second rather than 60 times. So that is why it is considered to be visually superior. I don't think anyone expected 90Hz to be on an itel device, but surprise surprise, it's here. The display is also still decent. It's your usual 720p display. The quality is decent, colors look fine, and it is sharp. However, under direct sunlight, you struggle as the display doesn't get bright enough. We get a huge upgrade in the camera department as well. It's a 50MP main camera. The second camera is just an AI lens. It looks like there are 3 cameras at the back, but itel is just trolling. It's dual rear cameras. Now up front is an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The main camera quality was disappointing. I was expecting to be, impressed with the camera quality, but the pictures are not so great in my opinion. It's still better than the usual itel pictures, but my expectation got the better of me. Check out some more sample pictures. Hey guys, so this is video from the 15 megapixel main camera. How is video stabilization? Is it good? It doesn't look good. Let me know what you think of the quality. What I'm seeing on the screen right now, it doesn't look so sharp, but I'll check it on my laptop later after this. Let me know what you think. Hey guys, so this is selfie video on the itel S23, not a Samsung. This is shooting in 1080p resolution, which is the highest the itel S23 can go. So let me know what you think of the video quality and of course the audio quality in the comment section below. What I'm seeing on the screen right now, it looks pretty good. HDR is decent. I'm seeing the sky pretty well. Yeah, selfie camera looks okay for what I'm seeing right now. I'll have to check it on my laptop later, but for now it looks really good. Do let me know if you like it or if you don't like it in the comment section below. Go and comment. The itel S23 is still on Android 12 on itel's Android Skin version 8.6, so still no Android 13. itel's user interface looks a lot like Infinix and Tecno's user interface. Like you can't tell them apart, it's all the same. So I guess if you like the look and feel of Infinix and Tecno devices, you'll like this too. For performance, it's powered by a Unisoc processor, the Unisoc T606, 4GB of RAM and even up to 8GB thanks to memory fusion. There is another variant with 8GB of RAM and up to 16GB with memory fusion. I'm still surprised that we are seeing this amount of RAM on an itel device. We also get more than enough storage, 128GB of internal memory. The Unisoc T606 is quite a capable processor. I've used the processor in the Umidigi Power 7S and it is a decent processor. Paired with the RAM, performance is good. Opening apps were quick, even moving between apps is also good. Overall, navigating the phone is smooth. Gaming was also good. You'll be able to play most games with minimal lag as long as you're not playing in high resolution. And the 90Hz display also helps with the gaming performance. The performance on the itel S23 is actually one of the best around the 60,000 naira price point. For battery, we get a 5000 mAh battery capacity with 10 watts charging. So you're looking at over 3 hours to go from 0 to 100%. So that's our review of the itel S23 4G. The itel S23 is the best itel phone, full stop. Very cool design, the color changing feature, up to 16GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, good performance, a 90Hz display, 50 megapixel camera and a USB Type-C port. And it is still priced under $100. itel did a fantastic job with this phone. And I 100% recommend the itel S23. It's a very affordable 4G smartphone from itel that offers you incredible value for money. Hope you enjoyed watching and this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching and you'd see me in my next video.